Alright. We're about to go out
can
here.
I video it?
We're about to go out here and like catch this mosquito eater. Stop!
No, I'm trying to fix it because
catch it.
Okay,
we're trying to kill it.
She has an
Don't put
attitude.
the camera in my face.
She has a huge attitude right now.
This looks good for the camera.
Right now my hair is like pushed back. So
Wait,
yes,
wait,
I have
wait.
hair.
You can't go without me.
Why not? Yes, we're stacking on clothes because we don't want to get big.
Where'd my glasses go?
Far, far away.
Alright. I will go second. Who's going first and last?
You're going to record.
Okay. I'll go last then.
No.
So I can get all the footage of you guys walking. Is it videotaping?
Nobody got
Yes.
time to watch me walk.
Alright, let's hold
go.
it correctly while it's videotaping.
Oh, don't scare me off.
At least we know it doesn't eat us.
It's right here, it's right here, it's right here.
Oh.
Come get it. Come get it on the tape. Are you gonna hit it?
Yeah.
Okay, then give me this.
What's that? At least I'm on it.
Baby,
Yeah.
try not to scream.
Because it's time to go to bed.
Shut up, please.
No, don't tell me shut up.
Get your booch.
Oh, it's not like focusing.
It don't matter. I don't want to see the thing anymore.
Oh, it's like all fuzzy. Okay.
Dude, nobody wants you. They don't like you.
Will somebody take this other shoe just in case for backup? You're willing to hit it?
Yeah.
Do you want to go first then?
No.
How about we both go?
Brian, he needs to turn over so I can get
Just like
backhanded.
what I do is put my hand into that. Okay, ready? Okay. Alright, go.
Where you go?
Well, you're the one who wants to get rid of it so bad.
I want to go night time.
Exactly. I'm trying to stay up. So go ahead.
No, you ain't trying to stay up. You just
You
gonna play
better
until
not
I second all talking about you want to go to sleep.
So I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm staying up.
No. That thing big as heck. See, nobody wants you. How about
It
you?
moves.
Come on.
I told you about that talking. Stop talking ghetto. I don't like that. You know, I don't prefer that.
This down. Alright, let's just smash and go.
Smash and go. I see what you did there.
It's so big.
Okay.
I like throwing.
Do it. Do it, you
Smush
wussy.
it. I have to like.
Do it.
Can you smush it and I'll clean it up? I'll clean it. You just smush it. Use two. To be like.
I want to run.
You just do it
I'm
for
gonna
me.
want to run.
Cause that's the only flat surface it's been on in a while.
It's so big.
Okay, what you do is just go like this.
How about you do it?
It's starting to curl its legs though. So you better hurry up.
Do it. Do it.
I'm gonna drop everything and run if it just.
No, cause that's not gonna help.
Well, okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna put the camera. Hold on. Okay, the camera is gonna be right here.
They can't do nothing.
Hold on.
Oh,
Okay,
Trey's
gonna do it.
Yeah.
Don't throw it. You have to go up to it and smush it.
Oh, well, I got this.
Not like up. You don't have to go up to it. You just have to go like.
I know what I can do. I can run and then I can sit here and then whap it. That's the only way that's gonna make me. No, they don't like you. They hate you. Alright? Is that gonna help you? Say what?
Ow! Stop for it, y'all.
Okay, the only thing I can do is run.
I'm gonna go in and spray, and you're gonna go in and smash.
Hold on, no. I want to throw first. Oh shoot, you raised his butt up.
He's like getting ready to move. Don't throw, you have to smush. Just hold it like this.
I can't do that. It seems so easy. Why don't you help me?
Why are you yelling though?
I ain't going down like that, yo.
I don't do that. I really don't.
Okay, you see what you want out the other.
Alright.
Since you're the one who wants
And yes, I'm wearing a
I'll
scarf during summer.
Yeah. And I'm back up.
Yeah.
Give me a chance.
I'm back up.
Yeah.
You can't spray from like get right there.
Oh, Lord.
Hurry up, because it's gonna move. I'm not sure if it'll spray far. Just spray. Just try spraying and see what it does. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Conquer. Conquer it, girl. Conquer.
Do it.
There's nothing in here.
Yeah, there is. You have to get close.
Don't push me on. I will throw it and run. You're gonna get me.
It attracts to noise. Stop. This is not gonna work if you're not gonna help her.
Don't pull me.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, okay.
Let me do it.
Let's see if this it will be your backup.
It is dimension. Get close to it. Yeah, you're really close.
Man, this guy's a beast.
Give me the other shoe.
That's not anywhere near it. See, it didn't do anything. Alright, smash.
We need something better. This isn't even coming out.
Just smash. Go.
Don't push her. She's not going to do it.
Can you see how it's going to move? Look away.
Alright.
Just do it. Look, you're so close right now. You have to have a good grip on it if you're going to smash it. Just go. Go. Oh, you were just so close a minute ago. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. I know you can. Put your hand in the shoe. It doesn't like to fall.
Oh, I can't do that. That's gonna make me mad. I'm like, yeah. I can't do that. Or else I'm gonna look at it while it's dead and then I'm gonna drop it and run.
Well, if it's dead, then it won't matter.
For me.
And I'm the one who's cleaning it up, so. Ew.
I don't want to see you get killed.
Okay, so you're gonna have to grab that from the bottom and move it.
Yeah, just grab the line and scoot over.
Why Trey gotta do it though?
Cause you ain't doing nothing.
I'm twerking for the team.
You see? You skills?
Trey, you realize we're putting this on YouTube, right?
Do it again. That's dead. I did it.
Okay, pay attention. Just do it.
You're not helping. And then I'm gonna make you do it, and I'm gonna lock you in the basement.
Oh, come on.
Okay, this needs to move, because if I hit it on accident, I'm gonna go off track.
No.
Take this from the bottom and then move it.
Oh, he doesn't like it.
It's okay, you can do it.
Alright. You're making me do this now. Alright, hit it.
Hold on, wait, let me zoom in before you do it.
Stop! Just pay attention.
She's about to go in.
Do it.
She's about to dive in. Wanna do it? You gotta close up. This is the perfect shot. Close up, come on. Close up.
She's gonna do it. You can do it. It's dead.
No!
It's not dead.
I got it.
Hold on, wait. Hold on. You know he did. Alright, goodbye.